Hi, we are now boarded at the catamaran
So,
of
natin, magkakano sa kanya, 60 something.
Botay.
Tapos sa atin yung 68.
So they are discussing about
Magkano yung Hong Kong?
their winnings in the casino.
Ano? Hindi na, okay na. At least, hindi tayo alam natin kung saan tayo. Sulit na sulit yung...
Hindi, tsaka yung ano, diba? Siya rin yung ano eh, pera niya mismo yung $100 na pinasok sa machine. Tapos lumabas yung para sa card.
Oh.
Eh, di bayad din yun sa kanya. Para sa card.
Pero okay lang yun, tip na natin sa kanya yun.
Tsaka tayo yung
Pero
nakatid
enjoy.
kasi yun sa kabila, hindi naman nanalo.
Ano?
Hindi sila nanalo.
Nanalo sila pero 2 points something lang.
Cents. Kasi nga, we have tissue. We have a small tissue.
Big.
He has a big tissue, Jade tissue.
We
He
have a
has a
magnet.
lucky 8 magnet. And this is the lucky kit.
Bawa kay Lucky Buddha.
Tsaka kay Lucky Buddha.
Si Ate.
So what can you say about our Macau trip?
Masaya. I enjoy.
Enjoyable, exciting, excellent,
How about
and educational.
how about Hong Kong and Shenzhen?
Never mind.
Shenzhen, no way. Hong Kong and Macau, take 2.
Weh.
So this is me, Jonas, signing off. Bye.
See you tomorrow for another